Meaning of huntsman.
huntsman,
Huntsman.
huntsman,
Huntsman. The term huntsman refers to a skilled individual who participates in hunting activities. They are often employed by wealthy landowners or serve as members of hunting clubs. A huntsman is responsible for leading a pack of hounds or directing the tracking of prey, such as foxes or deer. They are expected to possess extensive knowledge of the surrounding terrain and the habits of various animals. The role of a huntsman requires physical stamina, as well as the ability to remain calm under pressure and make quick decisions in the field.